Hey Randy, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about three different things. First thing I want to talk about is content. The second thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords. The third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, before we get into that, my name is Joshua Gutierrez. I love what I do. I love helping small business owners grow. So, with that, let's get to it. So, I typed in electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I looked for your company. Um, and it is in the 32nd position. But before we dive into that, let's dive into what's on the top here. This is the map pack. These top three are the organics, and this is kind of where you want to be. So with that being said, let's kind of look over your website. Click on that. Now I really love the color scheme of your website, and I love the picture in the front, and I love the different um, pop-ups, that you have here. It's really nice. But what Google really looks for in content is 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, and I noticed here that um, you have probably, I would say, just looking at this, about 400 words of content. So I jumped ahead and I plugged you in already. So you have about 390 words of content. Um, and all I did was just copy all your words and paste them in this word counter here, and it tells me how many words are on there. So, in a nutshell, basically that's what Google really looks for. So let's kind of look into kind of your competitor. Okay, one, two, three, and okay, Wagner Mechanical is what the people that we would have to beat in order to get to the top of this list. Um, so let's kind of look at their website here. Okay. Let's kind of look at their what they have for content. Okay, let's go to word counter. Alright, so they have about 702 words. Like I said, Google loves 1,500 to 2,000, so that pretty much that pretty much sums up content on what Google wants. And that's kind of what's keeping them up there, or one of the main reasons. I mean, all we got to do to beat them in content is have 1,000 words. So, in a nutshell, that's pretty much it. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords. Now, there's this tool that I purchased. It's called Ahrefs, and I took the liberty in plugging in your website, which is RM Electric LLC. And what we want to look for is the UR and DR. Now, the UR right here shows the strength of your website from a scale of 1 to 100, and the DR shows how much you're trusted. So strength and trust shows how many backlinks you have going, how many referring domains, how many organic keywords. Now, I also plugged in your competitors, so let's compare theirs. All right, so if you pull up theirs, their strength is 21 out of 134. Shows their strength. Now they have a 61 backlinks attached to this, 122 keywords. Now we have access to all these when it comes to backlinking and keywords, so we can tie all these keywords and embed them in yours. So if we click on here, we have access to all this, so we can easily outrank these competitors here, Wagner Mechanical. See, we got the volume, we got the KD of every different keyword here, and we also There's 103 here. So you could basically know which ones to tie where and go from there. And that pretty much, in a nutshell, sums up backlinking, to where you can backlink different pages to your site. And the cool thing about this is it tells you how many. So, 61 backlinks is what they got. So all we got to do is, heck, we could put 65 and we still beat them. So with that being said, let's move on to the third thing. Now the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now citations, in a nutshell, is basically when you go into the front page here, and you type in electrician, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Basically on the top, you are going to find what's called the map pack. Now the map pack is usually the top part right here. So McDonald Electric looks like they're on the top. So this is kind of where we want to be. I have no idea where RMC Electric is. I have not taken a look real quick. So let's kind of look and see. See if we can find you. Next, so not the first 20. Let's see, sorry about that. Electric. Yeah, I've been finding a lot great businesses that are just back here, and that they need to be up here in the front. RMC, I don't see you anywhere. Wow, if you're on here, you are way out here. Okay, so with that, I just kind of want to explain a little bit more what citations are. And just click back here. Come on, if I can get back. Let's just come here. Alright, now, basically on how to how to beat McDonald Electric on is, you just got to put enough citations in the back of your Google business profile and update everything as well, as far as pictures and everything else. So basically what a citation is it's basically a digital phone book that attaches to your business to a dozen different links. So and that's pretty much all I have for you. I just want to make sure that I explained everything, Randy, and I hope that this video brings value to you. If this is something you'd like me to help you with, just let me know. If not, no harm, no foul. And with that, I hope the day is good to you, and hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.